Have you ever wondered how gold is made? You know, that shiny, glittering stuff that's been captivating human hearts for centuries? It's not like baking a cake or crafting a sculpture. It's a tale that takes us billions of years back, to places far beyond our reach. From the heart of dying stars to the depths of our very own planet, the creation of gold is a cosmic adventure. So strap in, folks. Well, you're in for a sparkling journey through space and time. Gold, the precious metal we all adore, is not a child of the earth. It's a fascinating story, really, of a journey that starts billions of years ago and billions of miles away. The birthplace of gold, you see, isn't some hidden mine or secret treasure trove. No, it's something far more grand and cosmic. You see, gold is born in the cataclysmic merger of neutron stars. These are the densest stars in the universe, each about the size of a city but with a mass greater than the sun. When they collide, it's a spectacle of cosmic proportions. Imagine an explosion so powerful it distorts space and time. In the heat and chaos of this cosmic collision, atoms are squeezed and reshaped, and voila, gold is born. But how does this golden child make its way to us? From these distant cosmic fireworks, the newly minted gold is expelled, traveling across the universe as cosmic dust. Over billions of years, this dust is drawn together by gravity to form new stars, planets, and yes, our very own Earth. So the next time you admire a gold ring or a gold coin, remember its extraordinary journey. From the heart of a neutron star collision, across the vast expanse of the universe, to the palm of your hand. So the gold in your jewelry is actually a piece of a star, perhaps the most expensive stardust you'll ever own. But how does this stardust turn into the shiny gold we know? Well, let's delve into this golden mystery. When stars go supernova, they explode in a spectacular display, scattering their elemental innards across the cosmos. Among this celestial confetti is our much-loved gold dust. This stardust, including gold, travels across the universe, eventually reaching our little blue planet. It's like a cosmic lottery, where Earth is the lucky winner of a golden shower from the heavens above. This golden rain doesn't come with a weather forecast, but it's continuously sprinkling down on us, adding to the gold already present on Earth. Over billions of years, this sprinkling has spread gold all over our planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. It's a little like the universe's own version of hide and seek, with gold hiding in plain sight, and us humans seeking it out. So every time it rains, remember it's not just water, it could be a golden shower. Now, how does this scattered gold end up in concentrated deposits? You may ask. Well, it's a tale as old as time, or should I say, as old as the Earth itself. Let's embark on a journey to understand the fascinating geological processes that concentrate gold into deposits. It's a grand adventure, involving erosion, transportation by rivers, and deposition in riverbeds or underground. Sounds like a lot? Well, buckle up. First off, erosion. Gold, being a dense and relatively unreactive element, can withstand the harsh conditions of weathering and erosion. When mountains erode over millions of years, tiny fragments of gold are released, embarking on a journey of their own. Now let's talk about our second hero in this story, rivers. Picture a river as a gold courier service, working tirelessly over centuries. As the river flows, it picks up these tiny gold particles and carries them downstream. The faster the river, the further the gold travels. It's like a gold express delivery system, only it takes a few million years. Finally, we reach our destination, the riverbeds and underground deposits. When the river slows down, the heavier particles, including our precious gold, sink and accumulate. Over time, these particles form placer deposits, concentrated areas of gold. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Some gold particles seep into the underground, where heat and pressure transform them into hard rock deposits. So, you see, the journey of gold from a mountaintop to becoming a concentrated deposit is no less than an epic saga. It's a testament to the power of nature and time. The process is slow, painstakingly so, but the result is worth the wait. After all, who doesn't love a good treasure hunt? And in this case, the treasure is not a pirate's chest, but the glinting gold deposits waiting to be discovered and transformed into the shiny objects we adore. So the next time you see a river, think about the golden treasure it might be hiding. From dust to deposit, but how do we get gold into our hands, you may ask? Well, sit tight because we're about to delve into the mesmerizing world of gold mining and refining. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? The first step is extraction. Miners use techniques like panning, sluicing, and dredging to separate gold particles from stream sediments. It's a bit like looking for a needle in a haystack, but instead of a needle, You're after a shiny golden nugget. Next up is the mill. Here, the raw gold ore is crushed into fine particles. Think of it like a giant industrial-sized pestle and mortar. No, not the kind you use to make guacamole, although that would be quite a sight, wouldn't it? Once crushed, the ore is mixed with water to create a slurry. This concoction is then treated with chemicals that bind to the gold, forming a frothy substance that rises to the top. It's akin to brewing a very expensive, albeit non-drinkable, cup of golden cappuccino. The froth is collected, dried, and heated to remove impurities. This leaves behind a semi-pure gold substance, which needs further refining. Now, the semi-pure gold is melted and treated with chlorine gas. This process, known as parting, separates the gold from other metals. The result? An almost pure gold product. Almost, though, isn't quite enough when it comes to gold. The final step is electrolysis. The gold is submerged in a bath of acid and subjected to an electric current. This separates the gold atoms from any remaining impurities, resulting in a product that is 99.99% pure. Now that's what I call a gold standard. Finally, the purified gold is ready to be transformed into a myriad of products. It can be minted into coins, molded into bars, or crafted into exquisite pieces of jewelry. So, next time you gaze at a gold ring or a gold coin, remember the remarkable journey it has taken. From the heart of a star to the depths of the earth, through meticulous extraction and refining processes, and finally into your hands. And that, my friends, is the extraordinary journey of gold, from a star in the sky to the ring on your finger.